swift breeze. Don't you worry, let me throw you off, 'cause I think I know.
Hi guys, Ariel here, and I'm going on my first solo trip to Belgium. The only thing is that I have to get to the airport for 7:55 and it's Heathrow and I live in Brighton. So anyone who knows, Heathrow is about 2 hours away from Brighton and I have to take the bus. So now I have to catch an Uber to then take the coach to then get to the airport. Um, I set myself up a little bit getting a flight at 7:55, but we gotta do it and let's go. All right, so I arrived at my hotel and it's a couple hours later because I went to sleep. I'm not gonna lie. Like I was so tired. I've been up since 3 a.m. So I slept for about 2.5 hours and now I'm gonna go back out. Um, at first, because I arrived so early, I honestly thought that Brussels was just not as packed as other cities. And then once the hours started going by, like 1 p.m., like or 12, 1 p.m., is when you just start seeing an influx of like so many different people. And I'm like, whoa, where did these people come from? So I'm going to try to go get some waffles. I've already had frites and we'll see where the day takes us. Before I actually leave though, I just want to flip the camera and just kind of show my hotel room. It's nothing special. It's the Ibis City Center in Brussels. Um, you're getting city center prices, but I mean, it's just a hotel room. But let me flip the camera just to show you. So I was laying on the bed, don't mind me, and all my stuff is spread out. But this is the bed, have a little desk, and then you have the bathroom. What I found was cool was that they have like an actual heater, or you can heat the bathroom for a couple minutes if you need to. But this seems like it's a hotel that's on the older side. But yeah, this is my home for 24 hours. So I'm gonna be honest and say that Belgium is a really sleepy city, and personally I think you can knock out the city during the weekend if you are intentional. There are definitely a lot of things that I didn't get to, but I felt for my first solo trip this was a very safe bet, which is why I booked it. try it. Most of it is like hazelnut, so let's see how it tastes. So I'm back at my hotel and I have to actually check out. Looking back for my first solo trip, I would say it was a little bit lonely, I'm not gonna lie. I would encourage anyone who is solo traveling to be mindful of the fact that, you know, you don't really have anyone to share your experiences with. But I also think I didn't push myself enough to be more extroverted, like going out to maybe a pub and just saying hello or smiling or anything like that. I'm naturally shy, so I think the next solo trip, which I have planned in December to Portugal, I'll be a little bit more outgoing and more open. And in that trip, I am staying in a hostel, so it should be a little bit easier to meet like-minded people as opposed to a hotel. So I'm gonna go ahead and check out, and I'll see you guys later.
This is all the excitement. People are taking pictures, you know. I can see enthusiasm.